What's up everyone? It's me, your Sulitri John Valencia, and welcome back to Chula Asia Diaries, the mega love shoutout mga ka-Jeromantics. We're back for another Jerome Evardome reaction video, and this is for his karaoke session as Rico Blanco singing Antukin. Yes, this is the first time that I'm going to hear Antukin. Maybe I know the song, pero hindi natin alam yung title niya. Oo, minsan ganun tayo, alam natin yung kanta, pero hindi natin alam yung title. But before we proceed, guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, you're playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Ay, nakatalikod ang Jerome. Oo. Ay, kailan tong karaoke session na to, guys? Is that a Christmas party as well? Oh, yun pala yung Antukin. Oh my God, Jerome, that's a Tia. I touch myself na lang. Parang alam ko yun. Charis! Naka-normal voice siya. Parang Rico Blanco style. Ayan, umarap na siya. Kailan to, guys? In fairness, kalmado lang dito sa Jerome. Nakaupo pa yan, guys, ah. In fairness nga, no? Parang may pagka-Rico Blanco nga, guys. Do you agree? You can comment down below. Oh my God! Rico nga, ang galing! Diba? Kuha niya yung style, vocal style ni Rico, plus minimix niya with the Jerome Evardome original vocal. Sana i-ano niya rin, Elvis Presley, charin. In fairness din sa jacket ng Jerome. Oh my God! Kuha niya yung part na yun, guys. Yung, alam niyo yung parang vibrato ni Rico Blanco. Ganun yun. Dito sa part na to. Diba? Do you agree, guys? Comment down below. Guys, habang tumatagal ko napapakinggan, I am hearing Rico Blanco vibes sa vocal na Jerome. In fairness, sa may ito, Rockstar KTV sa Green Hills. Yes, you know, nasa screen. Is this like a Christmas party, guys, or a fan meet event with Jerome? Kasi yung huli nating nireactan yung duet nila ng mom niya. It's a New Year, like year-end party. Grabe, diba? Super nakakatawa that Jerome is celebrating with his Jeromantics fans. Grabe yun. Boses. In fairness kay Jerome, ha? Won't ever break. Iba yon, iba. Balikan. Diba? Ang cute din siya, no? Kita niyo yung facial expression niya. Papalit pa siya ng mic. Narinig natin si Elvis. Diba? Si Elvis na yon. Haba pala ng instrumento. In fairness talaga, Rico nga. In fair. Giving. In fairness. Sorry guys. Balikan natin. Oh, how he played that part. I love that part. Galing. Nakaupo pa yan guys, ah. Love the thin notes. Soft tone, no? Kasi ganun yung style ni Rico Blanco talaga eh. Diba? In fairness. Hey! There you have it guys, that is Jerome Ebardome as Rico Blanco singing Antukin. At may pa ano pa dun si Jerome sa umpisa, yung Touch Myself na lang. In fairness, kaboses nga no, he got those nuisance, yung mga vibrato, yung thin notes ni Rico Blanco. Kuha-kuha, ay, nakaupo pa yan guys ha. Paano na lang kung on stage, for sure he will give a total performance if he's standing, that like the Pinoy River Maya Rakrakan, for sure. But nevertheless, he did a great job ng nakaupo singing Rico Blanco. Grabe, kaya din pala talaga ni Jerome mag-iba ng OPM na ginagaya or clone na vocal. So, papasa din siya as Rico Blanco. How about you guys? What can you say about that karaoke session as Rico Blanco? You can comment down below. At sino po yung mga nakasama doon? Share your experience sa ating comment section. Alright? If you enjoyed this reaction video, guys, don't forget to like as well our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.